Today we're going to start off the video with a new head unit that we got sent from maxpittingrods.com. If you're familiar with the channel, you guys know I have a small sponsorship with these guys, and they actually have some pretty decent products. They've sent me a power washer before that I've done a review on, and it actually works pretty good. I still use it to this day. This head unit right here that I bought for my truck a while back, I can't remember the brand of it, but it gets the job done. It's just a Bluetooth radio. It has Apple CarPlay on it, but it's not wireless, so I have to plug in my USB in order to use it. But I mean, it gets the job done. It works. The sound system sounds pretty decent. We got the Q96 receiver from maxpittingrods.com. Now this one's supposed to have some cool features. It's supposed to have Android on it, wireless Apple CarPlay. The sound's supposed to be pretty good, a better Bluetooth. You can actually, I think, get on the store and download apps on here because it's an Android style radio system. So probably should be way better than this. And then the cool thing that I saw somebody doing, they was playing video games and watching YouTube and shit on here. Now the reason why I really want that is because I use my truck for work. So a lot of times, if you guys see this little thing right here, this is where I put my phone at. Sometimes when I'm chilling, I gotta watch a video or something, I usually put my phone right there and I have to watch a video while the radio is right here. So if I could use that and put that in place with this, and I can just watch the videos off that wirelessly, man, that's pretty crazy. So we're gonna go ahead and probably take this one out, get this one removed. It's still a great radio. I might just keep it, may do a giveaway on it or something like that, but then we'll install the Q96 in there. A little towel, wipe the screen down, wipe everything down. This one does support a backup camera, so you're able to put that in here, which I'm assuming some of these RCA jacks are going to be for. They actually give you tools to pop out the radio, which is cool. A lot of radios don't do that. It's kind of helpful right there. Let's see. You can get a harness, which is cool because you don't want to be rewiring a whole bunch of crap. What is that, HDMI or USBs? Okay, so you get USBs, you get the full harness right here, so you don't got a bunch of weird wires everywhere. You get the connections for the side, of course, for the side of the radio. Here's the screen itself. It's actually pretty small. It's not real hefty or anything, but it does feel solid. It doesn't feel super cheap. They actually got their brand name on it. And a big thing I like is the screen already looks better than the screen that I have in here. And that's my main thing when it comes to radios and stuff like that I'm installing, is the resolution. I like the resolution to be pretty crisp. Now this one's supposed to be like a 1080 screen, at least. It's supposed to be pretty high resolution. It's the little radio I got in the truck currently. You can go to the home screen. You got like a little couple settings, SD card, radio, phone link, USB. You can swipe over. It's got a rear mount camera, a rear view camera, so you can install that. You can change the wallpaper, stuff like that. But the only thing I hate is, in order to use the GPS, the Apple CarPlay, all that, I have to connect the wire, and that's the only way I can use that. Any other way, it has to be through Bluetooth, which is connected right now. And as you guys can see, the graphics on this screen are not all that. It can be a little glitchy at times, as you can see right here. But other than that, usually I get in the truck, it connects to my Bluetooth automatically, turn my music on, and I'm rolling. So here's the old radio I have, which actually feels a lot cheaper than this one. This one feels pretty much high quality, and then you can see how thin the new setup is, and you can just see the screen resolution with it not even being on. It's a much better screen. This one does feel super cheap. I forgot where I even got this thing from, but got the job done. Now we're gonna get this one installed. Got the radio all installed. I will say the sound quality of the radio is pretty fantastic. I do like that. It sounds really good. But here's a little Easter egg. If you end up getting this radio, you can set up the startup animation to the preference of logo of your car make and model. So there's all these different brands that they got. This is the Ford Ranger, so we would do that. Set that boot image, and then basically whenever I start the truck, that image will come up for the truck, which is pretty cool. So here's the little boot up animation. There you go. Now you got the car logos started up for the Ford Ranger. Kind of give it a little OEM feel to it. But yeah, got the mile an hour, Got a little car logo thing right there. You can change which one you want. You can pick different variations of what, I guess, logo you want to put. You can change wallpapers. There's apps on here. Google Chrome. You got Netflix. You got YouTube. So, you know, man, there's everything you want to do. Spotify, you got the Google Play Store, so you can connect to the internet and do all of that. I mean, you can't beat this radio for the price it is. You can use my code, get a 10% off discount. I'll put the code right here on the screen. Y'all can pick this radio up. It's pretty cool. It's a 7-inch screen. Like I said, the quality of the screen is pretty good. I have to play like a YouTube video and check it out, make sure that it's pretty good. But other than that, so far from what I'm seeing, it does look pretty good. All right, guys, just for this, man, y'all got to check this out. So I got it connected to the internet using the hotspot from my phone, and I'm on my own YouTube channel, man, and we can watch a video on the radio through my phone connection, man. So while I'm chilling, you know, we could sit here and literally look at that. And the quality is pretty damn good. Sound quality is great.
Take some pictures.
Like, you can't beat that. Yeah. I mean, you can't beat that right there. $199. You can get it on Amazon as well, so I'll share the Amazon link right here in the description. Check out the description. The Amazon link will be there. My discount code will be in the description as well. You get 10% off this radio. This is pretty dope. I mean, it's better than the one I had in here. This one is actually a bigger radio, like I said, and this one feels lighter than this one. So already you can tell this one's a little bit better quality. It has a fan for the CPU. It's basically like a tablet radio type Android. That's pretty dope though. You can't beat this. This vehicle will be for sale. Link in the description below.